everybody. I want to first start by showing you this lovely lady that I put resin on, and it's super cool because there was glitter. Whoa, where are you? There you go. There's glitter in that blue. So there we go. Now you can see the whole thing. Super psyched on that one. This is my table full of things to be resined. Hold on, I gotta set that down. So this one is going to be resined, and this is the one that sold. I'm having to put on a third coat of resin because the second one was perfect, but you can see there were like these 4 little dots. So I don't know if it was like 4 little dust specks that got in there. So this one will have 4 coats of resin. But isn't that amazing? And then this is the one I was just playing with. I don't know if I showed you this, where I put in the glass chips, and then I put in the this stuff, gold mica powder. But it must have been a little bit uneven because it's all falling down from the sky. So I'm debating if I'm going to put some up here and have it go that way. So that's how it is. Kind of a fun little piece. As I said, I'm just having a good time playing with it. This was the one where that was so cool. So I like it. Something different. I like it. Oh, look. Here's one of my first pieces. An oldie. Okay, so now we're traveling back over here, and I've been still working on ideas for my second commission, or for more of the commission piece. Now, this was not here like 5 minutes ago, but I had poured like 3 different pours on this, sampling just new ideas, boom, boom, boom. So that's just an older one rising from the bottom, which would not be in the real pour, obviously. But what it was pretty much all tree pour, and then with the red, and it was way cool. And this was a tree pour that I had red added into it, but I don't like that. And it had silicone, and I don't want to use silicone. And then I also liked this little area. That was something else, and I like that one too. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to paint over. This was one of the first samples I tried, and I want to do the black and white tree pour, and with the red background, but I think I'm actually going to use pink. Just because I like pink. I want to see what it looks like with pink. So otherwise I'm keeping it pretty much, just how it was. So obviously it'll be a little different than what the real results will be, but this will give me a chance to see if my idea actually works. So with that said, let's get started. So I want to get this commission done because I really need to start getting some big paintings completed for my show, because that is really looming in on me. All right. Oh, I don't have much. What is? Oh, that's brown. Well, this might be more white than black. And it's not an exact tree pour, and that's fine. That's not my goal. I just want swirls. I don't need them even. I don't need any of that. I just like the line look. Like you can see here, I love the line work. And this one, this little area is cool. This is not cool. All right, so you know what? I better start it over here in this dark area. Yeah, I probably could have used more white, actually. I hear my dog playing. Nobody's home though. Because in fact, I'm actually going to go up here with this now. See what I mean? I don't need the tree look, I just want the lines. And this is just a real quick. I would obviously take more time for the real thing. But when I get excited, I just kind of have to like jump on it and see if it works. So hence the jumping on it right away. And if this painting turns out and it looks good, I will probably offer it for a significantly reduced price, since it's been my sample canvas and it's a thinner canvas than I usually use. So if any of you like this, if I keep it, if it turns out, it will be at a significantly reduced price. And you'll be able to say you have a test piece. Just like trying out recipes. And then the other one, I would have different colors also in that white and black cup. I would have silver. I would have some like metallic pearl, but still no silicone, because silicone would make all these little cells even bigger and blobby, and I don't want that. And her walls, it's got low curved ceilings because it is a movie theater room, media room, whatever you call it. So, and you know, first she had said red background, and I was thinking red background, that seems awful lot. But I'm looking at this right now, and if this was on a black wall, it would be really striking. So I can see that. I am also seeing right now that you can really see the white canvas through this. So I'm thinking I should paint, if this is what I'm doing, paint the edges of the canvas with whatever red I choose, because the top is all right, but the edges, I can really see the white through the pink. Looks like a zebra. really looks like a zebra. All right, I'm hearing noises out there that sound like more than a dog. So either my husband got home or I'm being robbed. Or my dog has learned to walk on 2 feet since I came down here. Which is a possibility, I suppose. Okay, now that's too much. See, this is why I am experimenting. That is too much. Okay, now I want to see if somehow if I can get this down to about here. Because you can see it's scrunching all that, but I'm going to see if I can get it down more and then back the other way, and if that's going to ruin it all or if I will be able to do it. Okay, so now that it's down, now let's see if I can bring it back. Let's see what happens. Okay, good. I just want to hold that there. I don't want that to move. Just want to see I should have wiped off the pink before I did that. Well, you know what though? Actually, maybe that's kind of a good way to get in some more of the white. It's so funny because the painting I'm actually going to be doing, I'm trying to avoid pink at all costs, which I find kind of funny that I'm using pink. That just occurred to me. Wow, I love this. I love it with more white and less black. Those lines are gorgeous. Yeah, no one's going to want to, you guys aren't going to want to buy this because I'm just going to keep playing with it. And I'm probably going to stop before it's finished. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? Ooh, that is so pretty. I wonder what a swipe. Nothing. Absolutely nothing at all. That is nice. Okay, so my idea now, because I kind of like these looser things better than that. Okay, so my idea is to have a majority like this and then the red background. And I think it's going to be awesome. And I am going to now wipe all this off now that I have ruined the canvas. Look at that. That's fun to watch, isn't it? Whee! All right. So, I'm very excited now to start on the real thing. And you got to watch me play with paint. Catch you next time. Bye.